to my channel. My name is Gabby, aka Mocha. So as you can see, guys, I have twists in my hair, and I also added some beads in there as well. And I actually love how this hairstyle came out. So this is actually a video and showing you exactly how I created this style. But I just wanted to let you guys know that twist outs and braid outs are not my friend. I look like a little kid. I mean, I probably look like a little kid now, but it really makes me look like a little kid, and it has really bad shrinkage when I do twist outs and braid outs, and it doesn't come out right. So recently I did do the flexi rods, and I had my hair blow dried, so I decided to try the twist outs on blow dried hair. And while I was getting the products in a beauty supply store, I saw these beads, and I'm like, hey, let me just add them in. And when I did put them in my hair, I actually love how it came out. So I decided to make this video. So it's not a tutorial, it's just to keep you guys updated on my hairstyles and what creative hairstyles that I do with my hair. So I hope you stay tuned and keep watching and see how this hairstyle comes out. So as you can see, guys, my hair is blow dried out, and like I said before, this was from my previous hairstyle, and I'm just going to add a little bit of my favorite tea tree oil on my hair before I get started because I noticed my hair was a little dry. So for this style, I'm going to be using Lala Body Mousse for moisture and also Cream of Nature product called Snot because it's a little sticky and it holds the twist together, and it also reduces frizz. Then I'm going to be using my Eco Styling Gel for my ends so that it can create a little neater look, and also at the top so it can be a little sleek. And after that, I will start twisting my hair. And like I said, guys, this is not a tutorial, just mainly to show you what products I use for this style. So I skipped the part of me twisting my hair because I'm pretty sure everybody has a little idea of how to twist their own hair. If you don't, please leave me a comment down below and I'll give you a tutorial. Okay, now let's get to the fun part. So I decided to add the Blueberry Bliss Edge Control to my ends because it's very sticky and it holds the ends of my hair together, so that when it's time to add the beads through, it's very smooth. I tried to do this with the other products and it just wasn't working. So what I did was add a little bit of this product to my ends, then I twisted and bend it so it's small enough so that the bead can fit through easier. It's not as easy as it seems because when it's not slicked down all the way, the bead is too small and my hair is too big and it won't fit through, and it just caused a lot of pulling to my hair. So this was actually a trial and error. It took me a minute to put each bead through each twist. So that's exactly why I said this is not a tutorial, just a trial and error, and just show you what exactly that I did to create this style. It came out cute, so that's the plus about it. But after I add the amount of beads that I want to put in for the twist, I then take my rubber band and I tie it several times until it's completely tight, and so that the beads won't fall out. And then I just repeat the same thing for the other twist that's left out. So this is the final results of this hairstyle. This was a last minute style that I did decide to do, and I'm actually liking how it came out. I did notice that this style is really cute down, but it's actually really cute when it's up as well. So I'm loving how this style looks on me. So I do thank you guys for tuning in, and if you do want to see how my hair came out afterwards, leave me a comment below and give this video a thumbs up.